Hello, dear students and chess players. GSS PU College is going to conduct a chess tournament on 30th and 31st of July 2021, and this tournament will be an online chess tournament. We have kept a very nice prize money. A total prize fund of 13,000 is there for this particular tournament, and this tournament is organized in association with Belgaum District Chess Club Association. So, in this tournament, we are going to have uh, four different categories. So, the categories are first standard to fourth standard, that is category A. Okay, and then the next category will be category B, where students from fifth standard to seventh standard can participate. The third will be category C, where the students from 8th standard to 10th standard will participate. And the fourth category is D, where you have this college students, right? So I should clarify here that when I say college students, it can be from any college. It can be a medical college, it can be an engineering college, it can be a BAMS or any other college. The only thing is that it's a district level competition, so we expect the college to be in Belgaum district with a proper identity card, which you'll have to provide in the Google form. You'll have to create, or you'll have to register using a Google form, which will be sent to you, or there will be a link given here, right? So the thing is that this tournament is as it is conducted in a online platform. So you'll have to register yourself in a website which is known as leechess leechess.org. So you'll have to search in Google for this website, that is leechess.org. This is the website which is there for this particular tournament. So the moment you go to this particular website, so I'll just show you the complete. Yeah. So the website, it looks something like this. Okay. So this is the website which I'm just trying to tell you. This is the leeches.org website, and there, once you enter this particular website, the website which is leeches.org, okay, so there you'll have to go and then get yourself what you call it as registered. So you will get a symbol here in the corner, this side you will get a symbol where you will have to just register. The process of registration is very simple. You will have to enter your username. Say for example, your username is say Dinesh something, any name you can suggest, okay, 123 something. Then you decide whatever password you want, okay. Then you can decide what then email you will have to provide. Email should be the same as the email which you are going to provide in the Google form, okay. And then once everything is there, uh, they will agree, and then you will have to just click on this button, that is register, okay. So once you have done this registration, I agree to all these things, you'll have to just click in I agree to all the conditions of leeches.org. Then uh, in this way you can register yourself in this particular website, that is leeches.org. Okay, so the moment your ID is created, okay, so say for example you just sign in, and then we will be sending you a link. Say for example, simple tournament, say a link will be sent, something, the link will be like this. So the tournament will be conducted in Swiss league system, okay. So you will get this particular ID which you can actually, you will have to provide the ID will be the leeches link ID will be provided here, that you will have to just enter. And say for example you enter a particular tournament. Okay, say just an example I'll show you. Say for example I have entered this particular tournament. You can, the link will be there, then you'll have to enter a tournament. Okay, and then once you enter a tournament, that chess window will open over there. Okay, and then you will have to just join it. Okay, so once you join it, maybe it may ask you a password which we will provide, right? And then automatically you will get the such a window will open. Okay, where you will have to just start playing. Say for example I'm just playing here. Okay, and say for example your say you have played here some moves and all, right? And afterwards say for example the game gets over here. Okay, say for example something is there, and say the game is over. The very important is that after every game, back to the tournament you will have to go, and again it will go back to that particular website. Okay, so this is how then automatically the next game will come, and again you will have to play that particular game, and then this process will continue. Okay, so this is how you basically will continue. So unless until you don't put this back to the tournament, okay, this after every round, this is very important that you should press this button, that is back to the tournament. Okay, so this is how, so all of you will have to play all the rounds. It is a Swiss league system. In a Swiss league system all players will have to play all the round. And also regarding this thing which I just want to tell you about this particular thing, that some students who have just cleared 10th, they must not have taken any admission. So what they can basically do is they will have to play in college level, but they can show the identity of the 10th standard of their previous school. Okay, so they will play in college level, but they will show the identity of 10th. Right. So these are the categories which we have. Okay, so the tournament schedule is will be on first day, as you can see over here, on 30th. Category A and category B will play. So that is standard 1 to 4 and standard 5 to 7. The timings will be from 2 p.m. onwards. And on 31st, will the other categories, category C and category D, total different links will be there for them. They will play. The tournament will start at 2 p.m. Okay, then for every category, we have this prize money here. Okay, for every category, the first prize is 1500, second is 1000, third is 800, 600, 400. And for all details, any other details regarding the particular tournament, you can contact them, Abhishek Ganigar, this Akash Madiwalkar. Then the method of paying the fees for the tournament is you can see this QR code over here. Okay, so we have provided a small QR code here. You can just pay it using, you can just pay it by using this Google. Yeah, so this is the QR code. Yeah, so this is a QR code which through which you can just pay this form. Okay, so regarding any other things, already the contact numbers are given over here. Okay, so I have already the contact numbers we will get in the brochure, and that is how you can basically join the tournament. Okay, so I request most you tell other players, try to whoever your friends, everybody to take part in this particular tournament, and hope we will try to do this tournament in the best possible way. Yeah. So thank you everyone.